Okay, very good morning. So, today we will discuss the next part that is defects in welding. Okay, पिछले क्लास में हम लोग सोल्डरिंग एंड ब्रेजिंग के बारे में बताया था. What is soldering and what is brazing. Today we will discuss defects in welding. Means, different defects will form during welding, either arc welding or gas welding or resistance welding. So whatever means some defects will form during welding welding process. Okay, and we also discuss about different method to means, different testing method for welding defects. Okay, so now for welding defects means so just think means when the defects will form means if there is a means improper welding method. If the method is not proper way, then the defect may form. Means in welding process, like arc welding process. In arc welding process, the filler material will fill at the welding cavity. Okay. So if this filler material does not properly fill in the cavity, means जो V group or U group type होती है, if does not fill properly, then some defect may form. Okay. So these defects may be either external type defects and internal defects. Okay, external defect means those defects are the means just at the surface of the welding zone or head zone. If the defects are formed on the surface of the welding zone or head zone, then these type of defects are known as external weld defects. Okay, okay. So, a good oiled or oil beads should have uniform refilled oil surface with the even counter and the even weight of the bead. That means जो oil जोन में जो oily means जो material filler material melt करके जो oil बनती है, that called oil bead. Okay. So for good oil, this oil bead should be uniform refilled and properly filled the oil cavity. Okay, uh, this bead should be straight. This divide means these oiling defects are divided two types: one is external oil defects and another is internal oil defects. So external oil defect means these are like suppose the incorrect profile, crack, scatter, scatter, edge of plate melted, surface porosity, incomplete field grooves, distortion. Okay, since these are different external defects. And these type of defects are formed just on the surface of the oiled bead or oil zone or head zone. Okay. Internal defect means this type of defects are formed in the head zone, means within the head zone, means at the uh, internal portion of the oil zone. Okay, like you blow holes and internal porosity means oiling occurs by means the physics of the welding is oiling कैसे होता है? फर्स्ट फिलर मटेरियल मेल्ट, और जो दो मटेरियल को मैं ज्वाइन करूंगा, टू मटेरियल विल मेल्ट at a high temperature. As these materials or filler materials electrode melt at high temperature, and what will happen? Some gases will form. Gas form होती है. And this, if these gases not escape out from the oil zone, अगर जो गैस फॉर्म हो रही है वो अगर बाहर नहीं आएगा, then some blow holes or porosity में occurs in the oiled zone, means within the oiled material. Okay, and some cracks may be there, some inclusions may be there, lack of fusions, due to lack of fusions, so some internal defects may be formed, incomplete penetration of filler material. If the filler material is not completely filled, then this incomplete penetration types of internal defects may form. Okay, so so first we'll discuss one by one in details, like first is the incorrect profile. So suppose this is the profile, means this is the grooving profile. Means you have grooved these two parts, means V type of shape grooving. So means if the filler material does not properly fill this profile, this grooving profile, means the proper welding will occur if it is properly filled like that. But sometimes this melted material will overlap, means like that more extra melted filler material may overlap like this. Okay, so just to see, this is the extra material will overlap the welding zone. So this actually the welding zone or head zone. Okay, and this amount of material overlap, extra overlap is there. So this is a category of incorrect profile, means if a material is not properly filled, means according to its profile. Okay, so this is this defects at the toe or root of the oil bead, means toe means at this the toe, and that is root, means the top and bottom portion is called toe and root. So if this toe and root, means bottom and top portion of the uh, oil profile is not completely filled, then this type of incorrect profile oiling defects will form. First, due to the flow of metal on the surface of the uh, parent metal without fusion with the latter, means this will happen due to the molten metal will flow rapidly on the surface of the parent metal. Parent metal means workpiece. Okay, and due to this following, means suppose this molten metal will flow, so this extra metal will flow here, uh, and this overlap may form. So this is the extra material. Okay, so this type of defect occurs so when the welding process is slow, and so slow welding process means you are welding the welding to these two materials at a very slow rate. Okay, then this type of defects may occur, means due to this slow rate, the material, some molten material, extra molten material will pour here, and this extra material will flow very fast, and this type of overlap may form. Okay. Incorrect size and angle of the electrode. incorrect angle of the electrode means this is the two parts you have to join in between the two parts. So means you have to travel the electrode at an angle like that. Okay, and so this is the electrode, and this electrode actually this is the filler material. So this electrode have to be travel at an angle. So this angle also very important means this angle and the rate of travel means at a slow rate you are traveling or at a fast rate. So these two depends and due to this and means improper angles and the rate of travel, some defects may occur like incorrect profile. Okay, so incorrect profile like a undercut. So undercut means suppose you have to fill this part. So this is actually your grooving part. So you have to feel this part very properly. So if like this means suppose you have just see this part are not to feel means ये part जो है feel नहीं हुआ है. So this is called the undercut means ये totally feel नहीं हुआ है. Okay, and just see yeah. So here extra metal is there, but this part still not feel. Okay, uh, yeah, feel नहीं हुआ. So this is called the undercut. Means if this type of defects forms during welding, then these are called undercut. So like this, just see this one is the undercut. Means feel नहीं हुआ सही से. Okay. ऐसे पूरा completely fill होना चाहिए था but fill नहीं हुआ. Okay, so just see this one is the undercut means this type of uh, means mm, this portion is not filled properly. So actually you have to fill it like that means ऐसे 45 degree angle होना चाहिए था but ये fill नहीं हुआ. Okay, so these are the called undercut. Okay. So group cut into the base metal along the toe and same things is written here. Another is excessive penetration or bead. So if excessive penetration means so this is the profile means grooving profile. This one the grooving profile means if this grooving profile is filled correctly like that, then this is actually perfect welding. But uh, due to high current and large arc length, means if the arc length is very high, means the length of this electrode and the high current, then what happen? Some extra material will penetrate just at the bottom of this part, like that. So this is the extra material. Okay, at the bottom. So this extra material is nothing but a penetration. Okay, उनसे यहाँ ज़्यादा penetrate हो गया यह bottom में और extra extrusion type extruded part है ये. Okay, so this is actually the extra material or extra penetration. Okay, this is all the excessive penetration bead. Okay. So another is excessive convexity. So means like excessive convexity means suppose this is the profile means if if oiling occurs like that means so this is actually for perfect oiling. Okay, if the oiling is perfect then it will fill only this portion. Okay, but due to some operator means the skillness of the operator and the uh, uh, arc and means the current supply. What happened? Uh, this extra material and it looks like this extra material form a convex type of shape. So this extra molded material or this extra filler material. Uh, so, uh, so this one, so due to this extra material, defects will form, and this is called the excessive convexity. Okay. Now, excessive concavity, so it is just opposite means. So this one, the actual oil bit means if the material oil like that, only this zone, and this is the actual oil zone, this one, but due to operator skill and high current supply and improper penetration of the electrode, link occurs like that. Means this amount of extra oiled material means oil zone. This is the extra oil zone. Okay, and this looks like a concave curve. Okay, so this is just opposite means this one is the convex and just opposite this is the T type concave type curve. So this Erling defect is known as concavity. Okay, so just to see, and so this is the optical image of oiling for the concavity of the material, concavity defect. Okay, so cracks. So cracks may form just at the on the surface and at the means in the oil zone also. Means, this crack may form on the surface or at oil zone also. Okay, so this was due to discontinuity generated due to either tearing or texture of the metal. So tearing means during solidification from molten state means and so this is actually the filler material or melted material when this material solidifies then due to means improper rate of solidification some crack will form. Okay. So uneven cooling means uneven solidification of the oil besides improper oiling techniques. So due to that, uh, due to improper cooling or means due to uneven or non-uniform solidification of the molten metal, what will happen means some crack will form. Okay, so like that means. So this type of crack will form either on the surface. Even this crack may also form on just inside the oil zone also, including this oil zone also. Okay, surface में भी हो सकता है and ये oiling जो zone oiling जो zone है इस oiling zone के अंदर भी हो सकता है. Okay, so this crack will form due to improper solidification. And improper solidification, why the improper solidification occurs? Because of improper oiling technique. If operator is not properly skilled and supplied current is not properly high voltage supply, so this is due to this is unskilled operator, improper welding technique process, and due to this improper welding technique, the solidification rate होगी, this solidification rate will change, and due to change of the solidification rate, some cracks, internal cracks may form. Okay, internal, either internal or surface crack. Another is crater. So crater means this formed at the end of the oil run. So at the end of the oil run means where you stop the oiling process. Means up to you are starting from here and welding up to here, and whenever you stop the welding, so at end, uh, that end some improper weld, at that end this type of defect will form. Okay, so this is called the crater. And this happens due to the improper welding technique. And so some material will is removed from here. Means this is actually concave type of shape may form here. Okay, at the end of the welding, like that. Okay, so this type of welding defect is known as crater. Another scatter. Scatter means the metal particle uh, expelled out from the molten metals pool under the effect of Earth's arc during welding. So means during welding, some molten material will spread out, means यहाँ से जैसे बाहर आ जाएगी. So these are actually molten material just thrown away from this molten zone, and at the surface of the workpiece, this type of some small uh, molten material may form the may there. So this is actually due to just thrown away of the molten metals. Like तो जैसे वेल्डिंग होगी तो ऐसे molten metal ऐसे वो तो हो सकती है, बाहर आ सकती है. Okay, so small teeny balls along the oil beads, means, like a teeny balls, small teeny balls will thrown away from this mountain jewel, and this type of scatter defect may form, and this is this happens due to excessive current, long arc length, and damp electrode. Means if the electrode is damp, you are using the damp electrode, then this damp electrode, and when it touch on the workpiece at passing high current through the damp electrode, then some this type of small balls is thrown away from this molten zone. Okay, okay, and on the surface of the workpiece, this type of small tiny uh, ball is formed. Okay. Another is surface porosity. So this if the electrode means the electrode means not proper electrode. If you use a not proper electrode, means like wrong electrode. Means actually proper electrode for the proper material have to be used. So if you use improper electrode and having a longer arc length, okay, improper welding condition, this type of surface porosity means at the surface, on the surface of this welding zone, on the surface of this welding zone, from this type of pores, means like this type of small pores, due to means, due to the due to gas, this type of small pores may form on the surface of the welding zone. Okay. and this surface pores defects are known as surface porosity defect. Distortion means sometimes due to high temperature of this welding means, filler material due to high temperature what level the material. So this dotted line is actually the axial shape of the material. So this dotted line, the axial shape, and due to high temperature, this means after applying after welding. So after welding, this workpiece may distort like that. Means, so so this one is the distortion. Means actually the material is like that, and after welding the material will distort like that. Means see this type of bending may occur. Okay, after welding. Okay, means this is due to the surface tension. Okay, surface tension and compression. Change in the shape of the workpiece after welding. Temperature gradient that with different sections of the workpiece. Means, here the temperature gradient is different. Means the temperature at the welding zone is more compared to the this workpiece material, and this zone actually more temperature compared to this one. Okay, so when this zone will solidify, then this will extract, and this one will expand like that. So this type of distortion, mechanical distortion, uh, may form during the welding process. So to avoid this type of distortion, some mechanical fixtures are used to restrict this type of distortion. ओके, जो डिस्टॉर्शन हो रही है डिस्टॉर्शन से रोकने के लिए कुछ मैकेनिकल फिक्सर यूज किया जाता है. ओके, now blowholes and internal porosity. So these are formed due to so just to see this the porosity means a uh, small holes in the material means in the oiled zone, and these are the blowholes. So these happens due to some gases are formed, and those gases cannot escape out from this molten zone. Okay, so this one is the molten zone. Means this is the molten material, and then other flux or electrodes, whatever. So some gases will form due to high temperature, and those gases cannot escape out from this oiled zone. Okay. Okay. So you see means so large gas cavity exceeding means if the gas bubble size is means 1.5 mm, more than 5 mm, then the this type of porosity is known as a blowhole. Since if the size is more, then these are called the blowholes. And if the size of this porosity, if the size of this porosity is less than 1.5 mm, then these are called the porosity. And if the size is more, then these are actually nothing but a blowholes. And these are the causes, means due to wrong use of electrode, extensive current, more current, larger arc length, for oil availability of parent metal. So due to these reasons, this type of rusting defects are found in the oil zone. Okay. Inclusions means sometimes some inclusions like that these are the inclusions. So just see if you take the pixel surface, then this type of inclusions you can see in the oil zone or hedge zone. Okay, means these are found due to oxides. Means, oxides means oxidation at that zone may occur due to a high temperature. Means the molten metal at a high temperature. So due to at a high temperature, at that zone material may oxidize very rapidly, and this oxidize of the materials remains in the this welding zone, fat zone, and this oxides will act like as a inclusion. Okay. So what are the causes? Inadequate cleaning of each oil with deposited during multiple pass welding. And so in case of multiple pass welding, multiple pass welding means to weld these to weld these two parts. And, in one part, suppose so suppose this is one part and this is another workpiece. So to weld these two pieces or pieces, we have to travel this electrode uh, means two times. Okay, means in the first time not completely oiled first, then you pass this electrode another time. Okay, sometimes multi-pass may occur just at the opposite surface, means the opposite surface of these two uh, parties. Okay, so means during every pass you have to clean the surface, surface of the previous welding zone. Okay, otherwise means oxide layer may remain in the welding zone, and these oxides will act like as a inclusions. Okay, lack of fusions means uh, suppose this is the profile means you have to oil the if the if the oil is proper oil, then you have to fill this cavity. Okay, at the molten flags. Okay, but suppose this oiling occurs like that, means this part not filled by the filler material, welding filler material, then this actually lack of fusion means this part remains this part remains and not completely poured air. Okay, so lack of union of the deposited oil metal with the parent metal. Means if so these are actually deposited metals or electrode or filler material. If it is not completely poured this welding, so this cavity welding cavity, then there there is a lack of resistance type of welding defect to form. Okay. So this failure in rising the temperature of a gradient metal to the melting point. And say if there is a difference in temperature gradient, means before pouring the molten material up to here, material gets solidified. So, um, जो मोल्टेन मेटल फ्लास्क यूज कर रहा हूँ वहाँ इतना तक आने के बाद क्या हुआ सॉलिडिफाई हो गया। तो इतना और फिर जो बाकी ये जो पोर्शन है ये फिल नहीं हुआ। ओके, so this is called the lack of fusion. Okay. Incomplete root penetration. Incomplete root penetration means so means this is just see this part A means one part and part B. So you have to oil these two pieces, and this is your profile. Okay, means you make a groove, either V groove or A groove, and you have to melt these two parts along this groove. Now, if means, if throughout this groove is not properly filled, like and somewhere some this type of defects are formed, means they are not completely filled by the welding uh, by the filler material, then this type of defects may form. So like just to see here there is a overcut and there is a underfill. So like that means this portion does not fill properly. Okay, and here overfill is there. So like that means it is not properly filled uh, throughout this profile. Means, throughout this complete profile. Okay, so then this type of defect is called incomplete root penetration. Okay, so so what are the causes? Failure of root phase of hot weld to reach fusion temperature for its entire depth. Okay, failure of oil metal to reach the root of a field weld, leaving a void. So if the electrode size is more, higher the welding speed is more, less current, supply current is less. So then this type of welding defect will fall. So if the welding speed is more, so means to travel the electrode very high speedily. So there may chances of not completely properly fill the oil cavity. So sometimes this type of underfilling may remains uh, in the welding profile. Okay, and uh, the size of the electrode is oversized. Then this type of and less current and less current is supplying, so the electrode are completely melt and the profile may not completely core, and some this type of unfilled may remain in the uh, oiling profile. Okay, so these are the different oiling defects. With, like incomplete root penetration, lack of fusion, inclusions, blowhole porosity, distortion, surface porosity, spectra, okay, crater, cracks. So cracks may be either on the surface or internal. Both type of cracks may form internal cracks and surface cracks. Incomplete profile. So incomplete profile means concavity or convexity. Two types of profile may form here. Okay. And undercut and overcut, or overlay. So these are different welding process. So these welding defects, and these welding defects may form due to uh, unskilled operator, the rate of welding, current supply, supplying current is higher, heavy current supplying or low current supplying. So these also affecting parameters and surface linear. Okay, so these are different parameters due to that parameters. These different defects is found during the welding process. Okay, so till now, I think clear or not? Hello, any query? Ayush,
Yes, sir.
any query? समझ में आया कि नहीं? हेलो, आयुष, हेलो.